guys, so in today's video we will see the Leetcode problem number 997, which says to find the town judge. So let's see what the question says. So there is a town and there are n number of people and they are labeled from 1 to n. So they are labeled from 1 to n, and there is a rumor going on there, and there is a secret judge in that town. So everybody trusts town judge, but the town judge doesn't trust anybody, and there is exactly one person that satisfies the property 1 and 2. So पूरे गांव में, I mean in the not गांव, in this whole town बस एक बंदा है जो कि टाउन जज है, और सारे लोग उस पर ट्रस्ट करते हैं बट वो किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करता. So let's see how we can solve this. N is equal to 2 means there are 2 people in the town. So here 1 trusts 2, 2 doesn't trust anyone, so 2 is the judge. There are 3 people in the town and 1 trusts 3, 2 trusts 3, but 3 doesn't trust anyone, so 3 is the town judge. 3 people in the town and 1 trusts 3, 2 trusts 3, and 3 trust 1, but also there's no one here to judge. Who is the judge? So we'll return -1 in this question. What we can do is that we can iterate through these, like the person who trusts the other, we can decrease that, and the person who is being trusted, we can increase that by 1. So at last the person who is trusted by most can be considered to be the town judge. So array, vector array, let's suppose its name to be data, of size n+1, and initialize its whole element to be 0. Now we will iterate through the whole array trust. So we'll use auto x in trust, and we will try to increase the first element. No, we'll try to increase the second element because it is being trusted by someone, and we will decrease the value for the first one as nobody trusts this person. So nobody trusts this person, so we will put -1 for this, and somebody trusts this person, so we will do +1 for this.